Mitchell, honey, you can take out your reading book and just leave it closed. Don't open it up yet, okay? I want you to watch what I'm doing up here. Bridget, honey, I need you to push that away, sweetie. And just take out your reading book. You'll have time to finish later, sweetie. Two, London. We're up two, babe.
Two.
My sweets. Today, I'm going to teach you another. I'll take down Mr. Alligator. I'll put him over here. I left him up. I'm going to teach you how to write uppercase and lowercase W. They are both exactly the same. Look up here at our W card. They're exactly Jair and Jordan. They're both exactly the same. I want your book closed so you're watching me. You're not looking at your book and writing in your book. My loves, do you know how to make a letter V? Yes, we learned how to write V. If you can make a V, you can make a W. Say, I can make a W.
I can make a W.
Because all you do is make two V's. No, keep your books closed. I want your books closed so you're not looking at the page. You're looking up here. Here's what you're going to do. Your pencil, you're going to start at the chocolate chip. You've got it. Tamia, good girl following along. DeAndre, I need your eyes up here. Adelia, I need your eyes up here. You're going to make two V's. So you're going to go crooked line down, crooked line up, crooked line down, crooked line up. W is different than M. M has two straight lines. W's lines are all crooked. If you see that, say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Zaya, look up here. I'm going to do it again. Uppercase W is crooked line down to chocolate, crooked line up to strawberry, crooked line down to chocolate, crooked line up to strawberry. How about this one?
No.
No. What is wrong with that, Mason? I went under chocolate and look at, he noticed that this line is not crooked. That line is straight. He also noticed this line is straight. They all should be crooked. Good job, honey. You found the two things with this bad one. All right, so let me try again. Crooked to chocolate, crooked to strawberry, crooked to chocolate, crooked to strawberry. Much better. Now watch for lowercase w. It's the same thing. But you have to be a little bit careful because now they're just going to be so short. You don't have as much room. So you've got to move your pencil careful. Say, be so careful.
Be so careful.
Look, you're going to make now little V's. Crooked, 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 crooked. You see how they're still all crooked. Can I go under chocolate? No. So if I see that, I'm going to circle that. You did not stop at chocolate. How about this? Can I go on top of vanilla?
No.
No. If I see that, I'm going to circle that. You have to stop at chocolate, stop at vanilla, stop at chocolate, stop at vanilla. If you think you can do that, say, yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
My sweets, please open up to page 26. It's close to the back of your book. At the way at the back, a 2 and a 6. Open up to page 26. Way at the back, a 2 and a 6. Keep going, Caleb. No, Caleb, you got to go to the back of the book. Go way to the back. You found it, Mason. DeAndre found it. Jordan's almost there. Kylan found it. Just wait, my sweets. Keep going. My loves, before you start tracing, I want to read that sentence with you at the bottom. And it's not a sentence, it's a question. I'll be right there to help you, sweetheart. I'm coming right now so you can read it with us. You see the question mark at the bottom. So we're going to read that together. Here, Steve. Turn. 5, 26, right here, Susan. All right. Lily is our super noodle. And what is she having the super kids pretend to be? Do you remember? She's pretending to have them be those imaginary creatures. You remember what those are called, Adelia? Wag-wags. My loves, let's read that question at the bottom of your paper. Everybody take your finger, go woo. If you're playing with your water bottles, please push them away. Touch and read down here at the bottom where you see that uppercase C. Read with me. Ready, set, go. And can wag wag wags wags wag wags. So it says can wag wags. Now read that H word with me. Up hop. Can wag wags hop? Question mark. So you're going to trace that question and then you're going to write it. We're going to find out if they can hop or not. My loves, take your time with your W's. Yes, you may. I'm going to give you 8 minutes because I want you to take your time and you have to write this question at the bottom. You have 8 minutes. Do your neatest job. Make sure you trace first. Go for it, my loves. Trace so neatly. Make sure you do all those ones. I will get you stickers.
So you do the like what sticker?
Do your one thing now. We'll talk later.
I guess sticker.
I found some woof woof whales. I'm going to give you a woof whale when I see your neat W's.
I need a new pencil. One. This part is not
Here, I'll get you an eraser sticker, okay?
What's your name?
Ooh, you are really taking your time. I see crooked lines. That one looks great. Good job. Now keep tracing down here, Samir. That looks great. I see crooked lines for your W's. You need to put your scissors away. You should not have those out. Good job taking your time, Caleb. If you need an eraser, raise your hand and ask me. And we'll go get you one.
Sorry.
Just keep going there. Okay, you can keep that one. Okay, check out yours. Ooh, nice sentence down there. These look great. Nice and look, don't forget to trace all the blue ones too. Yes. Keep going. Keep tracing those blue ones and I'll grab you one. That's great. But you don't want to have strawberry. Yes. I know, but the lines are all cooking. You have to keep working. Save the stories for later, baby. These are beautiful. Jan, get your book down, sweetheart. You gotta remember when you're at school, you can't talk to other people.
Done. Done.
My honey, when you're done, you just raise your hands and your lowercase. Do you like that? Beautiful. Great. You're kind of cute. That was a great one, honey. That's great. Yeah. You got it. I'll do your next one. It was perfect. You did a great job. Those look really nice, Jaden.
Like that.
Yes, sweetheart. Okay, keep going. Don't forget to do your sentence and question mark.
Okay.
Honey, because you have to come down first, sweetie. Take your pencil. Come down first. Down, up, down, up. There. Come down first. Down, up, down, up. There you go, sweetheart.
Down, up, down. Down, up. Push. Down, up, down.
Okay, now you have to write your sentence down here. Can wag wags hop. You need to copy that and write it down there, okay?
Down,
Kylan, honey, a little softer, sweetie. Good job copying that. Some good, so yeah. Really nice. Good job, sweetheart.
you know that, Zoe? Well.
These are very beautiful. You are really taking your time. Nice job tracing that sentence. The question, I should say. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
This is really great. Wow. Good job writing so many things carefully. Honey, I love how patient you are being. You may go get 5 more tickets. You're done, and you're just waiting quietly right here. Well, we have more reading to do. He's just waiting, but he's being very patient. Good. Now just wait. You gotta be patient. DeAndre, keep going, sweetie. Now just be patient. Good job doing that. You just have to keep practicing. These are really nice. Jaden, that looks great. You're really taking your time. Good, honey. Then when you're done, just wait, because we have one more thing to do. Sometimes when you're done, you just have to be patient, which is good to learn. Like when you have to go to the grocery store and you wait in line to check out, you have to be patient. All right, DeAndre, honey, now you got to do that bottom part. You got to trace your question and write it. Good job, sweetheart.
Go.
Please don't put that in, baby. London, thanks for just being patient. Mason, good job, sweetie. Oh, I need to give you another whale on your lowercase ones.
Phone's dropping.
All right. My loves, if you are not done, please just park your pencil. You have time to finish later. Jaden, push that away, please. All right. My loves, we're just going to look at the next page. We have one more page to do in our reading book. We're just going to look at page 27. You see Lily right there. Do you remember where she's going to pretend to have the wag-wags go? I know this was 4 days ago. She's going to pretend to have them go to different, do you remember? Different. It does start with a P, not places. So close. Different planets. And I said that we were going to get to learn about what these planets were like. Now, are these real planets? Like we live on planet Earth? No. She made up these planets. My loves, I need you to park your pencils so you have nothing in your hands. Put it down, please. My loves, take your finger. We're going to read what Lily's saying up here at the top. Take your finger and go, whoop. We have a new sight word. I'm going to ask you when we get to it. It's in pink. Read with me where you see the L. Good job, Nazir. Ready, set, go. Let's get. What do you think that word in pink says? T-O. What does that word say, Prince? It looks like ta, but do we have a word that means ta? That's our sight word? Two. Yeah, boys and girls say T-O. T-O. Spells two. You sounded it out, which was really great. But here, that O doesn't say ah, that O says the ooh sound, which look, when I put my lips and I say ooh, my lips look like the letter O. So T-O spells two. So Lily's saying, let's get to, keep reading with me, that next sight word is our sight word, the. Now read that last word with the P with me. Ready, set, go. Planets. Let's get to the planets. My loves, this is our learning target for today. You're going to spell that sight word two. Say T-O. T-O. Spells two. Two. All right. I'm going to take this away really quick. That's to help you erase. Not to be played with, Saya. My loves, now you may grab your pencil. Take your pencils. You see Lily made a bunch of signs here. Hold on. I want you to read them with me. Because, so the super kids know which way to go for the different planets. So look at this sign at the top. We need to trace T-O, 5K, T-O. T-O. Spells. What does it spell? You tell me. Two. Trace the word two. T. Just turn your pencil over to the eraser. And I want you to point with the end of your pencil. Let's read that sign. What planet are they going to? Read with me. Ready? Set, go. To the wet planet. Good job. To the wet planet. What do you think Lily's going to have them do on the wet planet? They're going to go swimming. Yeah. If it's wet, maybe Lily has a pool and the kids are a sprinkler and they get to run through the sprinkler or play in the pool. So maybe they're going to go swimming on the wet planet. We'll find out tomorrow. My loves, we need to go down to the next sign, and we need to trace that sight word. 2. You got it, Jaden. Trace the T. Trace the O. Good, London. Good, Bridget. My loves, you can turn your pencil over and point right there with your eraser. Jair, I need you to point with me. London, I need you to point with me. Read that second sign with me. Ready? Good, Zaya. Set. Go to the. Sound that word out with me. Hot planet. To the hot planet. Ooh, what do you think is going to be happening at the hot planet, Prince? They're what, honey? Everybody's going to get hot. Maybe they'll get sunburned if they're playing outside. And you saw them the other day while they're playing around the bus in their swimsuits. Ooh, maybe. It's supposed to be hot this week outside. So maybe they're going to be playing on a really hot day. Push that away. My loves. Oh, this next sign, there's nothing for us to trace. What sight word do we have to write there? 2. 5K, spell 2 for me. What letter goes first? T. Good job, 5K. And what letter goes second? O. T. O. Now, my sweets, take your pencil. Use your eraser to point. Let's read that sign. Where's the next planet? Read with me. Ready? DeAndre, London, I need you pointing at the third one. Ready? Set. Go to, good, Kylan, the wind. Wind. Wind planet. To the wind planet. What might the wind planet be like? What do you think Lily might be planning for that? Kylan.
It's a fan right here, and they're all laying down in the grass.
Oh, so she looked at the story on the next page. She sees that there's a fan blowing on the Super Kids in the next page. Honey, push that away. Jair, that's not for drawing on. Your erasers to help you erase. My loves, we have 2 signs left. What's our new sight word we have to write? 2. 5K, spell 2 for me. Ready? Set, go. T, and the second letter is? O. Now look at this 2 is different than our number 2. Our number 2 has a W in it. All right, so that 2 with a W is the number. This 2 that we're talking about is like you're going to someplace. My loves, turn your pencil over so you can use your eraser. Kylan's already doing it. Good girl. She's ready to read with me. Read that second to last sign. Good, Zaya. Good, London. Ready? Set. Go to the. Now sound it out with me. If. If. Tip. Look at your book, Mason. Top. Planet. To the tip-top planet. What do you think the tip-top planet's going to be like? Jordan. You think they're going to be walking all down the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're kind of making it sound like the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. They're trip-trapping. This is tip-top. What do you think when you hear tippy-top? They might be on stilts because they'll be really high up in the air. They could be on stilts. What else could be tip-top? Jason. You guys looked ahead at the story, didn't you? You stinkers. You flipped to the next page. We're reading that tomorrow. You are cheating. That's okay. I'm glad you're excited. You'll find out why they're on the stilts. And I'm going to ask you if that's safe or not. So tomorrow, you're going to find out why they're on the stilts, and I'm going to be asking you if you think that's a safe idea. My loves, we have 1 sign left. What sight word do we have to write? 2. Spell 2 for me, 5K. Go. T. Oh, good job, Jair. This might be your favorite planet. I'll have to ask you tomorrow. Let's read this last sign. What is this planet? Turn your pencil over. You can point with your finger or your pencil, whichever one you want. Deandra, I need you to turn around and read it with me. That bottom sign. Ready, set, go. To the planet. Now read that W word. Wump. To the planet Wump. Have you ever heard of a wump?
Yes.
No, you have never heard of a wump. They made up that word. So tomorrow we're going to find out what the planet. Jaden. Honey, you need to take out a ticket now, sweetheart. You can't just turn around and talk. I know that you're excited. Tomorrow you're going to find out what the planet Wump is. And a wump is actually going to be a sound. So you'll find out what on earth makes a wump sound. It sounds like something from Dr. Seuss, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's not. You'll find out what makes that wump sound. My sweets, you did a great job. Tomorrow we're going to read about when they go to these planets with Lily. You may quietly, if you didn't finish your handwriting, I need you to finish this. If you are done, you may quietly put your books away. Mitchell and Karina, tomorrow we get to read our fun story about going to the planet with Lily. I'll see you later in an hour for a story. Bye, my sweet.
Excuse me, Adelia.
Yes, honey.
My name is